And it's only right I say I'm out. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fart stand.
Every person, every one of us is in a different part of that, what's called the music adoption cycle, okay? And this is how it works for music singles too, and I'm gonna break that down for you right now as a bonus. When people start sharing the music, you have to look at how music gets adopted, okay? When you start gaining social proof and you have fans, other people say, oh, he has fans? This means it's probably okay to like this person because enough people already like him. That's what social proof is. It's like, okay, if I like him, I'm gonna fit in, right? So when somebody has 1 million followers, it's easier to follow them than if they only have 100 followers. You have 100 followers, I'm not even taking you seriously. You have 1 million followers, why does he have 1 million followers? Let me check out his music.
Do it.
Oh, okay, everybody else likes him? I see why. I wanna fit in from an evolutionary standpoint, it's social dynamics, I follow the person, okay? That's why as you grow faster. All right? And some people don't like an artist's music until way later after the artist has already popped off. And then there's a group of people that immediately become a fan of somebody and they get the music, they like it, and they share it with other people, okay? And those are the people you want because they're called early adopters, they're first adopters. They're the first people, like, they like something, they like it, they share it. There's no hater barrier with those people. If they like it, they like it. They're not like, I don't know if I like this, right? Which I know that a lot of people are like that. And then some people don't like it until the very end of the spectrum after the person has already been successful and then the tail is going down and then people start to like it because like, well, I guess I like it since everybody else already liked it. Every person, every one of us is in a different part of that, what's called the music adoption cycle, okay? And this is how it works for music singles too, and I'm gonna break that down for you right now as a bonus. On the screen, you can see the music adoption life cycle of fans, okay? If you look at the very beginning, you see how it's very small. It's about 2.5% of people are what are called the innovators, right? They're like all about new ideas and new music, and they're looking for new music, right? And when they come across it, they attach to it, but that's only 2.5% of people. It's a very small percent of people, all right? You might be one of them. I am not that person, okay? Now, then you have early adopters. These are the people, when they start seeing it, they adopt it early, okay? And then they start sharing it even more, and you watch the percentage jump to the early majority. Now, with the early majority, it's really moving. This is like where an artist is really popping off. You're like, dang, their songs are everywhere. They're everywhere. They're on the radio. And then after they've already hit this peak, everybody else starts getting involved and going, oh, yeah, I heard about him. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, right? And then you have the laggards, which are the people at the very end of the spectrum that I was talking about, who don't really adopt or listen or like the music until they're like, well, I guess I will because everybody else already listens to it. And every single one of us is inside one piece of this cycle, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm in the late majority because I'm very opinionated and it takes a lot for me to really like somebody because I'm also an artist. I overanalyze music. So for me to like it, I really gotta like it, right? So honestly, I'm in the late majority. I used to be in the laggards. Now I'm in the late majority, okay? But what I want though is a bunch of people that are from the innovator area because those are the people who start getting your music to spread, right? So when you can start targeting with your retargeting ads, innovators, it moves.
And it's only right I say I'm out. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fart stand. All my shit is new age, I'm new wave, about to hang out with your baby, yeah, there's a